Welcome to another stock market weekly update. Today is January the 3rd, 2020. In this stock market weekly update, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500, and then we're going to take a look at the crude oil and the gold market. Last night, the U.S. bombed Baghdad airport and killed an Iranian military commander, and that has created some tension in the Middle East, and right now the market is pretty much on a wait and see to see what sort of a retaliation from Iran. So definitely the volatility in the market will likely increase in the coming week. So let's go and take a look at the S&P 500 right now. On the screen here is the weekly chart. As you can see, it's still within this megaphone channel here, this long-term megaphone channel, and it is getting closer to the upper boundary. Although the week here, if we take a closer look, this week it printed a spinning top type of candle, engulfing spinning top, and closed down a bit. So today it is down 23 point, more of minus 0.71%. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 straight up week, this is the first down week for over a month. Take a look at the daily chart here. You see there is this channel, this channel here that we're looking at, and it is still within this channel, and look like it was trying to make it up here to this 127 extension of 3273 or this upper bound here, but right now seems to be retraced back to this 100% extension. That is the extension from this balance area. So we'll see what it come back down to this area here near the 3179. Take a look at this right here, this extension, using this symmetry move. And if I just use the Fibonacci extension tool, then you can see that it hit the 61.8, close to 3254, 3255 area, and then start pulling back. So that could be a trigger point for the pullback. And if it pulls back, then maybe we could see the price come back down to this this area here on the bottom of the trend line, and that would put it somewhere around this 3180. On this chart, you can see the put-call ratio is coming up and it is sitting at 0.72. Right now, also the volatility, the VIX is coming up, and it is sitting at this 14 level. It's been down near the 12 level for quite a while, so right now we're seeing the volatility start increasing, and wouldn't be surprised that we could see a 16 and possibly 18 level in the coming week. Now looking at the crude oil, you can see crude actually went up quite a bit today. It is up almost 3%. It went up $1.81 at 2.96%, closed at $63. So you can see crude oil is taking out this pivot high here, and so we're going to see would it be able to close above this 63.38, and definitely book to this channel here. Most likely it will continue to stay at this elevated level and possibly move higher. And if we take a look at the next pivot high would be somewhere around this $66.60 here. Gold is also moved up because of this Middle East tension, and it moved up $23.50 or plus 1.54%. Close at $1,551.60. So you can see that it broke this pivot high that I've been watching, and it's been moving up. So right now, I'm not sure we're going to get the pullback, but eventually we will probably see some sort of pullback, and that's probably that's where I'm going to reassess the possibility of getting long here, because I'm expecting gold to take out this 50.66 level here, this pivot high. Remember earlier I was basically looking for this thing to pull back into the zone, and I say if it break out and move above this pivot without me, then I'd be basically wait for the pullback and then play it higher than this 1566 level. So right now it seems like that is the case here. So maybe right now I'm basically just watching for any sort of pullback to try to get in and play off the bounds, because I believe gold is going to go much higher than this 1566. If you like the content in this video, click the thumbs up and help me smash the YouTube algorithm and support my channel. Click the subscribe and also the notification icon so you won't miss any future video from me. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.